Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add hashtags on Pinterest. Well, whenever you are uploading your pictures to Pinterest as pins, you can add hashtags so that people searching for similar topics can find your pin. Now, let's get started. Just launch your Pinterest app and make sure you are logged into your account. So let's create a pin first by clicking on this plus sign at the bottom section. Create a pin. Now go ahead and choose a picture to create a pin and click on next at the top right section.
Okay, y'all, let's fake a facelift.
So next, so add a title to the pin, facelift, alright? And after that, we are looking to add hashtags on our pin, right? So there is tag topics, so we can search for the topics: makeup, tutorial, and again eye makeup. No, eye makeup, it's face makeup. All right, for now let's just add two of them and click on done. And you see, two tags have been added to our pin. And if you click on create, like so, now you know how to add hashtags on Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding adding hashtags on Pinterest, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.